A Russian scholar said Chinese President Xi Jinping's visit to Russia shows that China attaches great importance to bilateral relations and will promote practical cooperation between the two countries. Gyeléna is the first deputy chairperson of the Russia-China Friendship Association. She has been engaged in Russian-Chinese public diplomacy for more than 65 years and was awarded the Friendship Medal, China's highest state honor.
Я приезжала много раз, я работала в Китае определенное количество лет. Мы полны взаимного доверия, мы взаимного уважения.
Kolékova said she has great respect for President Xi and is deeply impressed by his courage, perseverance, humbleness, and determination. She also said the Russian people respect President Xi very much.
И то, что Си Цзиньпин первую поездку совершил, и вот сегодня, в этот раз, первую поездку совершает нам, это говорит, подчеркивает характер наших отношений. Мы надеемся, что этот визит внесет вклад в дальнейшее укрепление нашего сотрудничества.
Kolékova began to learn Chinese at the Moscow State Institute of International Relations at the age of 16. Since then, she has developed a lifelong bond with China.
Я с школьных лет занимаюсь страной. Вот как начала, и сейчас уже 66 лет я занимаюсь одним делом.
Kolékova said that China and Russia stand together to strengthen cooperation and support each other, and that the idea that China and Russia are good neighbors, friends, and partners has been embraced by the people and passed down through generations.
И мы доверяем друг другу. Мы доверяем Си Цзиньпину, мы доверяем Китаю, нашим китайским друзьям, а китайские друзья доверяют нам.